Alright, man, so you can see my screen, you can see why I want to replace it, those lines on the left side. But I had to shut it down, you know, with my other computer. So here, I'm just going to show you that that's all good. There's nothing wrong with my computer. It's going to boot up just fine. You can see I'm temporarily connected, just to, you know, to demonstrate again, there's nothing wrong with my computer. It works just fine, man. So there's nothing wrong with my computer. I think there's just something wrong with the screen. And again, I'm on an ESD mat, because I do, you know, work on electronics and stuff like that. So this is not out of my wheelhouse. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shut it down. A little disorienting to do it this way, but oh, there you go. I'm just gonna let it shut down to show you that, yeah, there's nothing wrong with my computer. Yeah, here's the screen, man. This is the screen I just bought from you. I think I'm gonna have to return it because again, it's not working. So let's get this worked out.